The repair shop's Jay Blades took to his Instagram account on Monday to share an exciting update with his followers. The expert recently finished filming for two of his new projects away from the BBC series. More recently, he confirmed he'd been filming a restoration show with Only Fools and Horses star, Sir David Jason. "Good morning all," Jay penned alongside a photo of the Del Boy star. "Now that's a wrap. 2 shows done and dusted." The repair shop expert tells fans be back soon as he takes break. Latest, Jay continued, David and Jay's Travelling Tool Shed, out in 2024 at BBC. Then I explore the West Midlands, though time for at Channel 5_TV. This one is just like the East End through time but a different location. Can't wait for you to see both of them. Have a great day. Sick. Jay's followers were quick to reply to the post, with Paul Jenner writing, "It will be a treat to watch. Can't wait. Don't miss." The repair shop expert issues show warning as he pays tribute to co-star. Insight, the repair shop's Dominic Chinia admits he wouldn't be here without NHS. Video, inside the life of the repair shop expert Dominic Chinia. Latest, user Judid72 said, "You're a busy man these days. But then you haven't made a program yet I didn't enjoy." While Jackie White _added, "So exciting. I'm such a huge fan on Sir David Jason. I look forward to seeing him back on television soon. I'm glad you have both become friends." 20. Sick, for their new series, Jay and Sir David have filmed at various locations across the UK where they have invited guests to show off the ventures they are pursuing as a hobby. Speaking about Travelling Tool Shed, Sir David told The Sun, "It's great to be back on the nation's TV screens doing something totally different. I've played a lot of roles in my time, but, to be myself, show off my creative passion, and help the wonderful people we meet along the way resolve their mechanical masterpiece issues is very rewarding. I've really enjoyed being on the road with Jay, where we have built up a great friendship and had a lot of fun, which I hope the viewers will enjoy watching when it airs." Touring Tool Shed is made by Jay's production company and will see the public exhibit homemade inventions, which are in the process of being completed. The series, which consists of 15 episodes, is due to hit screens in 2024.